Hello friends, welcome to you all on this channel of Career Edge. And in this video, I am just going to show you a very good news to you all that there is an application is open for the international internship, and you all can apply for this. How you can apply for this, and which type of internship is there, and if there is any chances to get this internship. So in this video you all get this type of things. So this internship is based on Canada. You all know Canada, which country is Canada. If you doesn't know, then just go on Google Map and search for that. So here they call for the student application for the summer internship of 2022, and you all can apply for this. Here you can see which students can apply for this: Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, United States, and there is a mention that Indian students can also apply for this. So this is the very good thing, because after the COVID situation, many countries doesn't allowing Indians to go there. So but here, if there is a mention that Indian students can also apply for this, then there is a means there is a way to go there, and you can go through that all the internship process. And may you total 12-week internship is there. So you made the variety of peoples and got some industry experience. So which type of internship is there, how many companies are participating, and how you can also got this. So all things are I'm just going to explain that, explaining. But firstly, why you need to do the abroad internship. So firstly, if you know about China, then China, what China's do, China manufacturing objects, different type of objects. So what they can do after they doesn't consume all the goods, mainly they manufacture goods to import export. So what India manufacturers. So if you see, then there is India manufactures if engineers. And what if you want to consume in India, then there is means in India there are many big opportunities also for the internship. But mainly, if mainly the students for the internship purpose, many students prefer to go for unpaid internship, and also many students pay for internship so that they got some experience. So this type of things, if you doesn't want, so there is a very good chance to go abroad, and means there is an import of your knowledge and export of your knowledge from India to that country. And there you can means search for good opportunities, because in the abroad there are many good opportunities for Indian students, because Indian students are highly skilled, but there are a lack of opportunities. So here you can see there are opportunities. Here you can see the total 70 universities across Canada is available for this internship, and different type of things are there. Not only for the students who are from engineering background, also for the science, engineering, mathematics, humanities, and social sciences. So all the students are welcomed, will be welcomed for this internship. And next thing is the whole process of this student internship. So firstly, they select faculty application. So next thing is, after faculty application is over, then in the month of August and September, here you can see they start the application for the student, and the student can apply for this internship. So here you can see the eligibility. You can see I'm just going to show you all the things. And also here total August to September, there is a date to means they a very good time to apply for this. Means there is a from you this application is open till September. And also November to January, you can see different type of activities are there. Maybe you got selected and you got there. And here pre-intensive preparation are there from February to April. And after that, there is internship started from May to October next year of 2022. So global link internships are there, and different type of research projects are there. You need to work on that. So here you can see different type of companies which are available on Canada, are associated with this. Alberta, British Columbia research, means different type of companies are there. You can just if you want to know about that, then you can go and just Google that. So next thing is faculty application. That is not for you. you want for student application, because if there is any faculty is watching this video, then you just go through faculty section and go and apply for this. Next thing is, here you can see all things about this internship offers. 12-week internship is there. Work under supervision of outstanding faculty members, those who are already applied for this. Next thing is access to Canada's unique research landscape, and also a rewarding experience in combining academic research in Canadian universities. Next thing is a chance to explore the independence and gain international experience. And at the last, the opportunity to connect with potential graduate supervisors should you be interested in returning to Canada. So this type of means the benefits are minimum types, and also there are some cash incentives. If you got selected for this, you got paid for your internship, and also what type of things which is required and how you can start this application process. So firstly, you need to go through the eligibility criteria. Next thing is confirm your passport is needed for this, because this is an international internship. Next thing, different type of things are there. The link I will put in the description. You just go through that, and you can find what type of things is required. And also this English or French language is required for this internship. So this is the whole thing. You can just go through the eligibility requirements, what are the things, and you can just go through that, because not much more written here. And only the means some points are given, so you just go through that. And also, if you want to ask any type of questions about this internship, then firstly you just go and visit this frequently asked question section. Here already explained all about that. Means if you have any questions related to that, you just go through this section and you can find all the answers. So that's much in this video. I think you got about this international internship. So that's much content in this video. Meet in the next video with one more education opportunities related to student. So thanks for watching.